Good morning YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to RuskiWeldFab. 10 of the best, 10 of the best. I was gonna give you the date, 24th of July, 1 week after Alton Park. We're here. Where here, you may ask? Well, it's Elvington Airfield. Essentially, it's a runway with just cars parked on each side of the road. The event is in 3 parts, essentially, maybe more, but that's what I kind of know. The handling circuit, this is what we are mainly focusing on. Then there is a drag strip and the top speed runs. We might do top speed runs and drag strip just to test it, but the handling circuit is what I'm putting all my money on. I think we might have a good enough chance, as I was saying to Rob, who's filming me again. I think I have a few advantages having a short rack and E-Pass. It means that it's a bit of a go-kart and the car handles really well. So I don't know what to expect, never been here before. Let's just hope it's not gonna piss down with rain. I can actually feel a few drops, which is not ideal, but it is what it is. We had a lovely summer last weekend, so we'll have a quick walk around to show you the cars and the competition. So we are at the scrutineering bay. I'm not sure what they're going to be checking, to be honest with you, because there's nothing in the regulations apart from helmet harnesses that you're supposed to have. So we'll see what they have. I've heard really weird things that the dust caps on your wheels, they are essential. So I'm using the old ones from Vini. We'll see what they say. So. I've reckoned, yeah, that's because it came off the Formula car, so I guess, yeah, I think the vibrations and whatnot, so it's nice and smooth.
What's your name?
Ilya, L-Y-A, yeah, that's the one. Thank you. Hopefully we'll do well. A lot more thorough than the time attack scrutineers.
Oh yeah.
They really want to rip my seats out. Should pass with. I am really nervous, always nervous, because they're, you know, they're going like with a fine toothbrush comb thing, whatever.
Yeah,
so if I had to come for the next event, I'll just swap that. That's not a problem.
I just know it's a bit of work.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
Yeah. Well, you should subscribe to my channel then. Always a sales pitch.
Bit quicker, it's 31.8.
I can be even more quicker. I'm literally doing the whole thing now in third, and only at the end I'm switching to second. I think I can do it instead of third into first, because that corner there is really slow. I can feel it's bogging down in second, so I can do the whole third and literally last at in the first. I think the temperature is play a big role. I could feel there was a little bit less power, especially on the straight, because the intake temperature is obviously staging and waiting. It's reaching to 54 degrees on the intake compared to the first and the second run where it was only 30. So obviously less density air, so probably a bit less power, which is not really an excuse. It is what it is. But yeah, I think I can improve pretty much every next run as well, up to a certain point, obviously. Let's try and do another drag strip run. I actually forgot to press cameras to film, so I'm gonna ask Rob press on the top button of that one.
Oh, crap. All right.
Huh? Same engine. Well, original engine, but with a turbo. Yeah. Let's do last run of the day. Let's see what we can do. Quick update. The day went absolutely brilliant. I got first in my class front-wheel drive with a time 31.110. Theoretically, this would have put me second in rear-wheel drive class or 6th in the four-wheel drive class, which is quite an achievement in this pesky little thing. Very happy how the car behaves. Amazing. Also done a few quarter-mile runs. I didn't really film them. I think Rob filmed them from the outside. We'll see what tomorrow is going to bring us, but right now we're just cooking a little barbecue, and supposedly there is another little show or something. There's lots of supercars just sort of drove in, so we're going to have some food, talk a bit of shit about cars and stuff, and then we're going to go and check out this little show, put a tent up, have a sleep, and tomorrow do all of it all over again. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Dearly beloved, we gathered here today. Yeah, sad news. I'm not 100% sure if Rob filmed me going down the strip or if I can show you this footage, because I'm recording this sort of as it kind of happened. But there was a probably camera running on the inside, whatever. So it launched good on the top speed run. As soon as I put it into second, no drive, no weird noises. It's just, yeah, no gears, none of them. So they told me back here, I can only guess that it could be something clutch related, the plate itself, because it was modified. It just sort of basically just spins. So the gearbox is just not engaged, even though the clutch is still engaged, because we cannot hear the gearbox when the car is running. So just kind of assuming that the input shaft is not spinning. That's the best case scenario, because it's just new clutch plate, replace it, obviously engine out job, or the input shaft snap, which is less likely, but yeah, it's more expensive. Either way, it's engine out job. So yeah, I'm still first in front wheel drive class for the handling course, leading by about 3 seconds. I don't think, well, I hope nobody can really beat that, so I'll get some kind of reward for this. Haven't done any top speed runs, obviously. And drag race, I've done only 2 yesterday, and I think I mentioned it yesterday, the 13.8 is my top speed, but that's not a drag car. I was spinning first 3 gears. So I can either end it here now, or we can go around and have a look at other cars and see what's what, but most likely we'll have a look around. So yeah. Thank you.
Mate.
Thank you. That's the best
That's
one. Yeah.
Well done, Ilya. Moving on to rear wheel drive. Right, and we take it in.
Building the fastest.